So at this point, we are now through in exploring the different internal structures of the cell, starting from the cytoplasm up to the intermediate filaments. So all of those structures that we've mentioned from the very beginning will fall under the internal structures of the cell, since they are located inside a typical cell, in which the cell membrane acts as the boundary between the internal and external environment of the cell. But did you know that aside from the internal structures, cells produce different structures or materials outside the cell, and they are collectively known as the extracellular parts of the cell. So you have the extracellular parts, or let's say extracellular components of the cell. So extracellular, meaning to say they are located outside the cell membrane, and we can divide it into two categories. So for the first one, we have for the plant cell, and then for the second one, we have the animal cell. So primarily, the external part of the plant cell is the cell wall. On the other hand, the extracellular part of the animal cell will be known as the extracellular matrix, also known as the ECM. So these are the two categories of the extracellular parts of a typical cell, in which we can divide into two categories. We have plant cell and animal cell. So again, cell wall is the extracellular part of plant cell. On the other hand, the extracellular matrix, also known as the ECM, will serve as the external component for the animal cell. So for our next video presentation, we will discuss the cell wall for the plant cell.